I'm Derek, and this is Nick with Principal LED, and today we're going to go over how to do a butt joint with the Street Wrap Gen 2. Nick is going to be demonstrating an inside butt joint. He's going to start by doing the same process we did before on the standard installation. After putting on the mounting clips, he's going to be pushing the track into the mounting clips themselves before going back and installing the lens on top of those. It's important to note that the one he's installing right now is going to be the one that becomes flush at the end with the wall. This will mean that when it comes to installing the end caps that he will not be able to use the mechanical fastening of the screws. So when you install this one, still slide it on as you traditionally would, but you're going to run a bead of silicone around the edge so that it stays secure and in place. Also, once it's done and you push that up against the side of the building, you should have extra security in place from the friction of the building. Just going to continue by placing the second track onto the mounting clips. And then once again placing the lens on top. You do have a little bit more play with this one, so you could, once the track is in place, if you have the ability to slide it back enough, you can get the mechanical screws in place. If not, you can once again just use the bead of silicone along the top and then finish by pushing them up against each other and making the butt joint. For a hard copy of our installation guide or for more information, please visit our website at p-led.com.